Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Saitama. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the biggest mistake of holders. Now what is the mistake of holders? In this video I will show you. But guys, before starting this video I request everybody to please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So let's go ahead my friends. Now first of all, the latest price of the Saitama in the cryptocurrencies market is here. 0.0000157 USD dollar is the currently live and latest price after Saitama. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes over the Saitama, so 11.99% the price increase in the last 24 hours. My friends, you can see here that Saitama is now a trending coin in the market, and Saitama will be the future Shiba my friends. 12% the price increase just in the last 24 hours. So as you can see here my friends, that every hour you can see here my friends, now 12.19% the price increase. So every hour, every minute the Saitama is in the pumping mood. And you know what, a lot of people now decide to sell Saitama, especially the short term investor decide to sell Saitama on these points. You can see here this time the price jumps, so a lot of people decide to sell. But you can see my friends, here also dumps, and after this dumps the price pump. Same like that now my friends, guys, at this time the price dumping, but I hope that at this time the price again start pump my friends. So my friends, don't decide to sell and just hold for a long time. Just hold for a long time. I think selling is the big mistake of all holders at this time my friends, because now it is positive cryptocurrencies, and at this time they will give you profit, not loss. So I request all of you, I recommend all of you, don't decide to sell, just hold for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your price prediction about Saitama? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.